Fail Zippo tricks.
Now I got it. Now that we're doing this on video. It's not.
Why is this lagging so bad?
I don't know. All I know is it's being a pain in my anus. Maybe don't run out of butane doing this. Compared to you get up and try to do it. First you
I'll get my face in it.
Okay. Wait, okay. Crap, there we go. Yeah, dude, we're probably gonna have to redo that.
Huh?
We're probably gonna have to redo that.
Why?
Because I lift up the camera and got your face in it by like a quick snapshot.
Fail.